I don't feel like she's mine enough.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the brand new Off-White Air Force One in the Volt colorway. These actually just dropped today and I was able to get my hands on them through an undefeated raffle. So first thoughts looking at them, these are definitely one of the sickest Off-White sneakers I've seen. Definitely different from the rest of them, that it's a Volt colorway. It really stands out, especially like under the sun. Really glad I picked these up. So I'm going to show you guys an in-depth review on these right now, show you some of the details and my favorite parts of the sneaker. So with that said, let's get right into it. Alright, let's get into some of the details of the Off-White Air Force One Low in the Volt colorway. First thing I will start off with is the box. As you guys can see, it's the same Nike swoosh box on all of the Off-White Nike sneakers. And then getting into the label, purchased from Undefeated. And then getting into the tag, the 10 Nike Air Force One Low, size 10, and the official colorway on this is Volt Black, Volt Cone. Jumping right into the sneakers, first thing I want to take a look at is the black swoosh. So as you guys can see, it's a glossy black swoosh with the Volt stitching surrounding it, and then of course with the orange tab right here. And then right below the swoosh we have Air written in black with the quotation marks, and then right under we have Air on all the Nike Air Force One Lows. And you guys can see completely Volt upper, although the shade does kind of differ between this part and the midsole and the toe box area. The camera might not pick that up well enough, but it is different shades of Volt. Getting into the toe box, once again, as I mentioned, there's different shade here, here, and here. So 3 different hues. And especially when you wear them off feet, it's going to pop a lot more. And the difference is really nice in my opinion. Getting into the medial side of the sneaker, once again, we have the swoosh coming around. And then we have Off-White for Nike written, and then the rest is blocked off by the swoosh. Getting into the outsole of the sneaker, once again, completely Volt outsole, no contrasting color anywhere on the outsole of the sneaker. Getting into the laces, again, we have Volt laces going all the way up, and it's finished off with Shoelaces written in black on the tip. So here, and of course, surrounding the laces, the eyelets are in like this, I'm not really sure what the color is. It's like a light brown suede color. I would have enjoyed if they did this black instead rather than this color. That's my only complaint on the sneaker, but nonetheless, it still flows with the sneakers. Getting into the tongue, we have Nike written in black with the orange Nike swoosh, as we've seen on previous Off-White Nikes. And then onto the tongue, we have like a creamish colorway, similar to the suede here, but definitely different color. But I like the contrast that it brings to the shoe. Again, the same foam material used as on the other Off-White tongues. And then getting into the heel of the sneaker, we have logo written on the suede. Now this is the same color suede as we saw on the lace eyelets. And under that we have something written, I guess like the sizing code. Not really sure what that's about, but yeah. And the last thing I want to get into is the insole of the sneaker. As you guys see, it says the 10 with Off-White arrows on top of black panels. And of course the rest of the insole is all Volt as well. The inside padding is also all Volt. And then getting into the size tag, you guys see US 10. Take a look at the production date, 06/2018 to 11/02/18. Now the production date may differ on different sizes, so don't really get worried if that's not your production date. And a couple extra things I do want to mention. As you guys can see, the Off-White zip tie is in this light blue colorway. So focusing on it, it says Off-White code Nike 2017 zip tie. That's really weird. Some of them say 2018, some still say 2017. So I don't really understand what's going on with that. Taking a look at the other sneakers, so everything is pretty much the same, except on the sneaker, of course, we have the extra pair of laces. Now with Air Forces, they're actually attached. And these are actually some really nice laces, honestly. It's like this rope-like feel to it. 2 different colors, just like gray and black mixed. And we have Shoelaces written in this peach color, as you guys could see. So really dope. Now one little difference on the pairs is where the swoosh covers the Off-White writing. So on this pair, it covers the Off. Here it covers Nike. So that's pretty dope. I like that. So let me show you guys the last 360 look at these. Once again, really glad I got these for retail. Really nice sneaker. My preference between these and the blacks definitely has to go to the Volt. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, this is one of my favorite off-white sneakers to date. I actually like these over the black ones, that's why I raffled for them. Definitely really vibrant, gonna look great on feet, and I can't wait to wear them. Also, please stay tuned because I will be uploading an all-feet video of these very shortly. And with that said, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to my channel for more.